But New Jersey, I think, is already sold out. That's what they're saying, that it's going to be like
one hell of a...
I hear, in fact, we got some great news that, that all these shows, Chicago, Los Angeles, and finally New Jersey, are going to be humongous in terms of capacity, in terms of like just sheer numbers, and that's just outstanding, because think of it, these kids have 4 years, as I said, into the business, and in 4 years to build packed houses across the world, amazing.
Sir, tremendous excitement for the first look of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
Right.
I keep on getting all these messages that when is it going to be coming, and please give us some news. Could you please share something about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil?
Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, of course, is my next directorial film, and I think nothing is more exciting at Dharma Productions right now than the entire release of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, which is a Diwali release this year. We are also excited, and we had a certain kind of a beat, a certain kind of a timeline, and a certain strategy in place that will reveal itself as it reveals itself. So yes, we haven't released any image, any behind the scenes, nothing as yet, because I believe very strongly that when we come, we would like to stay one after the other in terms of properties, in terms of units, and I felt to come out too early is difficult then to sustain the energy of I believe, any feature film. So we're very excited to release the first glimpse, and then the second, and then the third. The film is very high on music. It has a lot of music. I believe very strongly that the music is the most integral soul, is the most, I would say, the most important contributing factor to the soul of the film. And I believe that the music will breathe long and will have the longevity. I have a lot of belief in the music, so I can't wait for everyone to listen to the title song and then the subsequent music after that. And of course, all I can say is that towards the end of the month, you will see Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Nobody knows anything about it. We've kept it very quiet as of now. Yes, towards the end of the month, we've kept it very quiet for a reason. Because I believe very strongly that once we're out there, we will be out there.
Ranbir was outstanding in Tamasha. I think it is one of his finest performances. What something about Ranbir Kapoor?
One of the best actor experiences I've had has been working with Ranbir Kapoor. He blew my mind. About 20 times, literally, I used to stare at the monitor and say, wow. Like, he's an unpredictable and completely unusual performing artist. He never, ever does something that you expect. He goes beyond your expectation every scene. His emotional understanding, his emotional energy that he brings to a film is just beyond words. I've had some working experience with great movie actors in the industry, and I have to say I have to add very strongly and proudly Ranbir Kapoor to that list of amazing actors I worked with. Working with Anushka, working with Aishwarya, has been just the most incredible experience. And I have to say, I was most excited even working with Fawad, who has a very special role. It's a special appearance. He was brilliant. And he has a special appearance in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. But it's a very strong role, a very pivotal role. And actually, his energy is very indispensable to the film. I'm so glad he agreed very graciously to be a part of the film. In fact, it was wonderful of him to say yes, because it was a special appearance. But truly, when I say you have to take the essence of the word, it was special, that appearance. It's very important for his character to connect or to be a part of the journey of this film, for you to kind of understand the emotional existence of the film. So it's been wonderful, I think. And to answer your question, not just Ranbir was fantastic, and I've said exactly how proud I was to direct him and how proud I was to have him as part of this film. But Anushka Sharma, Aishwarya Rai, who I've been dying to work with for the beginning of my career, I think all of them, I've had the best time. It was a 75-day shoot, and I feel every day of those 75 days, I used to be excited to go back the next day. It was really enriching.
Last couple of questions. Khana Chashma, Siddharth has told me that it's crossed, I think, 5 crores now.
50 million. Just yesterday, it crossed 50 million.
Yeah, so something about Bar Bar Dekho, excited about?
I can't wait, because when I read that, it was given to me, Excel Entertainment sent me the script. It was a page turner. It truly was a page turner. It's the only love story I've read in the last decade which actually makes you wonder right through. There's intrigue. I'm not saying there's mystery. There's intrigue. There's you're wondering where the film is going, and where it finally lands, you're satiated like never before. It was I've never read a love story that had the beats of an emotional thriller. So that's what I think Bar Bar Dekho is. And all I have to say is that if you want to know what the future of your relationship is, which most of us should know, because there's a lot of insecurity with every relationship, then Bar Bar Dekho is the film to watch, because it gives you those answers.
Tiger Shroff in Student of the Year. That film was very, very special for you, because you had these three youngsters you've given to the industry. Tiger Shroff, amazing, I think, performer. The way he does. Excited about...
Very excited. And in fact,
why is it that you're not directing?
Because I think that now someone much younger should take over the franchise, and Puneet is the right fit. He's a young director. He's today's energy, and I feel I did. At age 40, I wanted to make my youngest film. I did. Student of the Year was released when the year I turned 40, and after that, I was like, I have to let this franchise go into the hands of the younger. Puneet, it's in very able, strong, and efficient hands with Puneet Malhotra. And when I read the script, I said, "There's no one better than Tiger Shroff for this." All the prerequisites that Tiger Shroff is known for and platformed on a supreme level is what Student of the Year 2 is all about. He's the brand fit for it perfectly, and we can't wait to actually start the filming. Really excited, and watch out now. We're going to find some girl energy, which I'm not being very specific about. You'll watch out, but let me tell you, the girl or the girls, we don't know, of Student of the Year are going to be interesting and very, very exciting choices.
More heroes apart from Tiger as well?
No, Tiger's the only man in the film.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, sir.